Let's look at the current administration and musical chairs in New York City. We look and see, is congestion pricing on or off? Do you know that if you just go from the Williamsburg Bridge on the street of Manhattan for a second, if this congestion pricing is on, you get billed whatever it is, hundreds or thousands or whatever it is, dollars, tens, whatever it is, for just a second on the street, just trying to get onto the BQE or the FDR Drive. But look, we have Deputy Mayor Meera Joshi. Let's just investigate this person, Meera Joshi. She seems to be at every different position, right? TLC, now she's Deputy Mayor of Operations. So let's see what campaign contributions show up for her, right? So we go to a simple site, prop.titleforce.org/elections, and simple name search. Put Meera Joshi, boom, it finds her, right? You can put Joshi Meera. I think you should be able to put either way because they are words. Let's just see. Meera, we're not even sure how to spell that name. Is it two E's or is it... Let's hope it still finds... That might be misspelled. I'm not... Oh, Meera. Right, Meera, I think. And it's still finding it. Meera Joshi, Joshi Meera, it doesn't matter, right? That just shows that that's a fairly good search engine, and I helped build this thing from the data, New York City data. But look at it. The sum is $2,000. She's been given money to the Kings County Democratic County Committee. I guess it appears she lives in Manhattan, or maybe that's Brooklyn. That might be Brooklyn. Maybe East 3rd Street might be Brooklyn, because that exists in both places. Let's see. Let's see if that's Brooklyn. Just out of the way. Yeah, that's Brooklyn. East 3rd Street is there? No, there's an East 3rd Street here? Really? No, we don't want to leave. No, stay. We don't. Keep using real time. Keep using the web. Yeah, so I guess there's an East 3rd. How is that East 3rd Street? Yeah, look at that. There's little East 4. I guess that's the beginning of where East. It's very strange. Yeah, guess it starts down here, right? East of what? That's the question. I guess it's not east of... So where's East 1st Street? That's a tangent. East 1st Street is McDonald's. So it appears that there is no East 1st Street. Seems odd. That seems like so it seems as if McDonald Avenue might be, but look, my goodness, there is no West 1st Street. Wow, that's a pretty strange system. Where's the West? If you have an East 1st Street, you should have a West 1st Street. Ugh, you don't even try to figure out Brooklyn. Anyway, going back to this. There it is. You can search any way you want. So Meera Joshi, she's given $2,000. She contributes to Corey 2021. I guess that was a mistake because Corey, well, maybe 2021. I don't know. I think that's when he was that for? Mayor? Doesn't even say. Corey 2021. It probably was mayor. You could look at the source itself and see if it was a mayor campaign or something. Doesn't even tell you. Yeah, it is Brooklyn. Corey 2021, election year. What? Election year 2019. How much Corey 2021? I don't know. But I think if we go back and we look again, she's supporting Lander. She's supporting Alvin Bragg, district attorney. Lasher for Senate. That's interesting. And Alvin Bragg again, 250. But Are these different dates? They're probably the same date. No, different dates. All right, so now let's look at this wonderful follow the money. This is what our campaign finance board, I'm sure, paid millions to consultants for. And let's see how that works. Let's just put Mira Joshi there, right? Put space, Mira. Is that spelled right? No, that's Mita. Mira. Search. Now watch this speed demon. I think it's already confused. I picked every election because that's what a search engine should be able to do. It should be able to search more than... Oh, there it goes. It's making sure you know it's doing something. It's cranking away. We do this sometimes and it crashes the whole system. So actually one user can force a denial of service attack. That's not a good system. Nothing. It found nothing. Even though we put in Joshi Mira. Let's try Mira Joshi. Right? Oh, let's just know what to tell it. Mira. Oh, it's going to try to autocomplete for us. Oh, that's really helpful. Why not let us put the input and then search? Let's see. Oh, there, it's Speed Demon. Oh, look. No result. Oh, no, it's still working on something. Go, go, go. You can do it. This is a simple SQL query. You're not supposed to use SQL for free text search. SQL is really bad at that. You know, you have to build a proper search engine, but you don't have it. So let's see. Let's just put Joshi. This is the poor quality. This is just poor quality. It probably will find one word. I'm sure SQL can do that because this is probably running a light query, and light queries are just garbage. You can't do real words with light queries. You kind of have to understand the language in like queries. If anyone doesn't know what I'm saying, it's okay. You don't have to know. There, it's found something. So then let's put the entries to 100, because there's only 76 entries of Joshi's, and it only adds up to $6,000. But supposedly this is across all campaigns, which I find hard to believe that it's only $6,000. Now you can search on name. This is what they're trying to do, but they don't know how to do it. Okay, Mira. Okay, so it's Joshi, comma Mira, all in lowercase. Ah, and she contributed to the Catherine Garcia. She was trying to... she didn't even contribute to Eric Adams. How is she appointed by Eric Adams? Unbelievable. Sam Schwartz. We should look up Sam Schwartz. She's self-employed over here. In 2020, she's self-employed. Over here, she's Sam Schwartz. Every entry has a different... she's a consultant. Now she's self-employed, and she's contributing to... Corey Johnson, comptroller. Look at this. Oh, she contributed to Eric Adams $400. So she's hedging her bets. And she's working for Sam Schwartz, whoever he is. Again, Sam Schwartz. Now, oh, this is all Mira. My, she's being a busy beaver. Oh, and then it switches to another Josie. So it looks like, and look at this. I think the zip codes are all wrong. Brad Lander. She's all over the place. Corey Johnson, I guess, just contribute to everybody. You know, see what happens. Yeah, this is the poor quality of our campaign finance information. We got a very poor search engine. Doesn't even work properly. It crashes left and right. Doesn't really do free text search because it appears that the consultants who built this don't know how to build search engines. Maybe I'm wrong. I hope somebody proved me wrong. And then look, you have to select all the elections, because how the heck are we supposed to know what election to look at, right? We select them all. And then they push it in your face that you've selected every election cycle. Like, is that not normal? That's what we want to do. We want to see where it is. A search engine should be able to handle that. Anyway, New York City is not... a tech capital, you can tell that. All right, peace out.